Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Up English Learn from Zero podcast, where chatting in English feels like a breeze. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna, and hello to all our awesome listeners out there. It's great to be back with you.
Absolutely, it is. How's your day going so far, John?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks. Had a super chill morning with some coffee.
Oh, sounds perfect. Mine was buzzing with energy. Got my steps in early.
Love that. And hey, I think that's our vibe for today, isn't it?
Spot on. We're diving into weekends today, the best part of the week.
Weekends are my jam.
Mine too. We'll pick up some simple English phrases to share what you got up to on Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, this is gold for everyday chats.
Totally. People ask about weekends all the time. Quick pause though, before we jump in. If you're enjoying this, hit that like button real quick. It means the world to us.
And subscribe to Speak Up English Learn from Zero so you catch every episode fresh. Share it with your English learning buddies too. Your love keeps us going.
You guys are the best. Thanks a ton. All right, John, spill the beans. How was your weekend?
It was awesome, honestly. A mix of chill and adventure.
Nice. What went down on your Saturday?
Saturday kicked off strong. My crew and I hit up the local market in the morning.
The market? Oh, I could wander there forever.
Right? It was a blast. Grab any fresh goodies?
Nah, we didn't splurge. Just browsed the stalls, chatted with vendors.
That's prime window shopping energy.
Window shopping. Love that term.
Yep. Soaking it all in, and we treated ourselves to gelato.
Gelato? Score! What flavor called your name?
Pistachio, hands down. Classic and creamy.
Solid pick. I'm a vanilla guy myself. Anyway, strolling, snacking, and soaking up the vibes. Solid morning.
Sounds dreamy. Your turn, Anna. What filled your Saturday AM?
Mine was a total switch up. Skipped the market vibes and headed to the beach.
Beach day? Jealous already.
It was magic. The sun was out, waves crashing just right.
Ideal setup. Yeah, took the fam and we flew kites.
Kites? That's next level fun. We do. Mine's a beat up green one from years back, but it still soars.
Vintage gear has soul. Totally. And my daughter, she's got this tiny pink kite, so we launched them side by side.
How cute is that? Kite flying on the beach? Pure joy and a sneaky workout.
For sure. Post kites, we crashed on the sand, toes in the water, just unwinding.
Ah, that screams serenity.
It did. Nothing beats ocean air for recharging. So, market buzz for me, beach bliss for you. Polar opposites. Saturday night, did you keep the chill going?
Nope, things ramped up. Spill.
We crashed a backyard barbecue.
Barbecue. Now we're talking.
Epic. Friends, grilling, the works. But it was a family one with all the little ones.
Ah, Kids Central. Yep, my cousin's little guys turning 4. 4's when the chaos hits peak fun.
Totally get it. Endless zoomies. Tons of kids.
Oh yeah, tag, music, water balloons everywhere, balloons galore. And the highlight? A massive vanilla frosted cake piled high.
Cake dreams. Vanilla? Elevated choice.
It was a riot, but man, I crashed hard after.
Bet. High energy overload. Mine was the opposite extreme.
Low-key heaven. Exactly. My partner and I snuck out for Italian night.
Ooh, pasta paradise.
Spot on. Cozy spot, candlelight, the full deal. What hit the table?
Wood-fired pizza and tiramisu to finish.
Pizza? You're killing me. I'm starving now.
Same. It's my weakness. Tiny Italian joint, but the flavors out of this world. We just vibed. No rush. Ideal wind down.
So your night's all sizzling kids. Mine's mellow bites. Both wins in my book.
Totally. Saturday nailed it. Sunday scoop, John?
Sunday, recovery mode all the way.
Smart call. After the barbecue whirlwind. Yeah, full lazy legend status.
Lazy Sundays rule supreme. Preach. Kicked off in sweats till noon. No shame. Best ritual ever. Afternoon, we hunkered down at home.
Cozy fortress. Yeah, family movie marathon.
Movies? Yes, please. Hit us with the flick.
Animated adventure. Laugh out loud stuff.
Comedies glue families together.
They do. We howled through it. Popcorn mandatory?
Duh. Giant tub, butter drenched. Classic. Later, once the kids zonked out, my partner and I binged a podcast.
Wait, a podcast? Meta.
Yeah, true crime one. Hooked us.
Sounds like ultimate recharge.
It was zero guilt. Your Sunday glow up, Anna? Mine married the peace.
Nice. Started with a yoga flow in the park.
Morning Zen? Love it. It sets the tone. We do weekly, clears the mind. Gratitude hits different.
Gratitude? Keyword. Yeah. Reflecting on the wins, breathing deep, primes you for Monday without the dread.
Wise. Post yoga? Brunch spread at home.
Brunch? Sign me up. Loaded with fruits, eggs, the works. Then afternoon, napped like a pro.
Nap game strong. Essential. Evening treat, John?
Board games with the fam. Light laughs, no screens.
Board games? Underrated gem. It wrapped the day sweet. Epic weekends all around, Anna.
For real, we crushed it. And dropped some killer English nuggets too.
Boom. Like, how was your weekend? Boom back, it rocked. Or super hectic. Or total zen.
Then dished the deets in past tense. I wandered the market. I flew kites. Hit a barbecue. Savored pizza. Sunday, binged shows. Did yoga. Napped hard. And rested. Sunday's MVP verb.
Nailed it. This chat flew by. Loved your stories, John.
Same, Anna. Yours inspired my next adventure. Whoa. Clock's ticking. Time thief. Episodes wrapping. Poof.
Thanks for hanging with us, folks. You rock. Hope those weekend words stick. Practice them out loud. And hey, quick ask. Drop in the comments. How was your weekend? Beach? Binge? Rest? We devour your English shares. Seriously, our highlight.
Do it. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay in the loop. Like this? Smash that like and pass it to a friend grinding English. You're legends. Catch you next time. Peace out.